Hello everybody, I'm excited to be here with my new friend Peter Pham. He's a human He laughed at me when I called him a friend. Oh, no, I'm crushed.
Self-determination is the principle, the cardinal principle of human rights law that's recognised internationally. Liberty of movement, bodily autonomy, the right to freely consent to medical procedures, freedom of speech and freedom of expression, the right to private property, including your own person. These are all enshrined in the ICCPR, for example. There are the difference in international law to jurisprudence, which is the philosophy of law, and another way of describing natural law, the sort of foundation of the current human rights legal framework. The difference is that international law has exceptions in it, whereas in ancient Egypt or in many other cultures, indigenous culture in Australia, in Maori culture, in ancient China, in ancient India, all of their human rights frameworks had certain principles that could never be diluted, that could never be overthrown by any authority. There has been a dangerous and damaging, as you say, move towards postmodernism, this post-truth movement, where there's no foundation we can look to as individuals to protect our own interests, which is a problem if you have authorities who are not interested in the well-being of the people. Self-determination is the key principle in human rights because there's always a danger, if self-determination is not protected, the ability for an individual to govern the course of their own life, that corrosive power structures, as they tend to become, will impede on an individual's liberty, always under the pretense of what's best for the people.